channel. Okay, he wanted to add something in the introduction as well. I'm so happy and glad that you stopped by. So finally the time to start decorating for fall. You can see outside the leaves are slowly turning into brown, orange, maroon, these fall tones. Actually, I have never decorated in my whole life for the fall season because I'm coming from Sri Lanka. It's a summer country throughout the year, so this is the first time, so I'm excited. And yeah, let's get started.
Hi fans, a video from Sheh to the great and
Alright friends, this is the before of our living room. Some of the summer decorations I already packed and kept it for the next summer. And yeah, first of all, let's get started with cleaning and then start decorating. While I'm recording all this, it's still interesting to clean and keep the house nice all the time, but with a toddler in the house it's not possible every day. But when it's the moment for cleaning, I try to enjoy the process and enjoy that moment that house is clean, because it will change within a second. This would be the first floral arrangement for the fall. I picked this brown stem from a shop similar to dollar store. It's really affordable and it doesn't give so much of an artificial look, so I picked the 3 of them. And I folded these 3 stems in 3 different heights to give a visual interest. And in order to fill these vases, I had to fill with a lot of branches, but as I'm going budget friendly in all the decorations, what I did was I picked some greenery from the spring summer collection. They were on sale, and started painting it and give a fall vibe. The brown paint cost me only €1, and these branches were on sale for €1-2, so it was really under $10. I mean €10. You can make a beautiful fall arrangement. I bended all the branches very thoroughly to give a full look for the arrangement, that it's not super narrow. And as to give a color to my fall arrangement, I picked these florals also from a budget store, which is so affordable because it came with the summer collection. To give a bit a realistic look even for a fall arrangement, I bended the branches here and there to give it a bit a realistic look. And to accent this main floral arrangement, I'm bringing this dark vase which I DIY to give an aged effect. Along with that, another vase which I thrifted. I guess out of all the decorations which I made around the living room, this corner is my favorite, with all these bright colors, and it really gives the fall vibe and it's not overboard. For the next side of the windowsill, I'm bringing these candlesticks. As you have already watched my previous videos, this is a universal decor piece I used around the year. By changing the color of the candlesticks, I add on them. And one special thing in Germany apartments is that they have windowsill in all the windows around the house. So it's the best way to add decorations where your toddlers cannot reach almost. This basket I thrifted in Austria. If you have watched my previous video, you would have seen it. But I didn't like the color for the fall because the floral arrangements, lots of brown tones are going on. So I purchased this chalk paint, a bit of a gray effect, and applied around the basket. And I'm not quite sure whether I like the end result, but for the moment it's okay. Now is the time to fill the basket. So I purchased this pumpkin in a dollar store and also these as well. And these pine cones I picked up from the Alps when we went on hiking in Austria. So it's kind of a memory from our vacation. And these maple leaves, also thrifted ones, I added these as accent pieces. And yeah, for the moment I'm happy with how it turned. It could be more improved in my opinion, but as I wanna go budget friendly, I wanted to use most of the things which I already have in hand. In my comments, Kathy was sharing that would be nice to add a mirror on the mantle. Yes, I'm still on a hunt for a budget-friendly mirror, but till I find something, I thought to add a little bit of height by adding these tall vases on the mantle. Alright friends, now is the time to decorate the bookshelf in our living room. First I wanted to add this picture frame, also I thrifted in Austria. I gave an age effect paint technique to this vase in one of my previous videos, and I want to add 3 vases here on the second shelf. And to add a little bit of a fall touch, I'm bringing this floral which I also purchased in a dollar store. You know friends, budget friendly is kind of a theme in my channel, and yes, I couldn't buy a blanket, a throw blanket as only which serves as decor purpose. So I picked this scarf I already had in hand, and just to give an illusion of a throw blanket. And as you could see, I brought these 2 candle stands from the first to the third shelf. As I have already added decor pieces on the windowsill, I wanted to keep very minimal on the dining tables. Almost all the vases in my house are painted by me. This is also one of my projects, and I'm bringing this vase to the dining table and wanted to add some neutral florals so that it's not competing with the floral arrangement already on the windowsill. I purchased these branches like last year. The color I did not like. I was not expecting. It was from Amazon. Give a paint effect and use it for fall. So for these branches, I'm using a brown and a mustard yellow color. So the technique I used here, I use a wet sponge, mix the yellow and a brown paint a little bit, and then dab the paint on the leaves. I dabbed the both sides on the same time and let it dry for a while. As the yellow color I used was a bit too bright, to cool down the tones, I used some dried leaves I already had in hand to balance the colors going on in the arrangement. And I also incorporated some dried red roses as well. Next, I wanted to give a simple touch of fall on our couch by changing the cushion covers. For the sideboard, it is full of white and electric devices are there, so I brought this wooden riser and then adding this 2 candle stand and also another amber kind of glass to give a bit of a fall touch. Thank you friends for taking your time to watch our video. We hope you have enjoyed and maybe got some inspiration as well for your decoration. So till we meet you in another nice video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.